All right, this is your boy JB from Savannah again. I'm at my Victorian here in Savannah, Georgia. Remember to go to subscribe to my YouTube channel, JB Flip Savannah. Happy New Year again, part 2 today. I'm down here. It's a Wednesday hump day in Savannah, and this is the interior of the Victorian as we speak. All right, check it out. We have prepped the floors right here, and we had original hardwood floors, as you can see down, but some of the floors are damaged. So we have prepped the floors for new floor installation, and instead of going with laminate, we actually decided to go with the original floors, which took us a while to get. As you can see, this is the original hardwood floor, right? We're going to lay it back down. These floors have been here since the 1900s, and we're going to use these floors and basically refinish the floors to match everything all the way through. All right, so these are going all the way to the bottom of the property. This is the living room right here. We're going to redo the fireplace. That's the kitchen right here, and breakfast area on that side. See the side door? So right here, as you can see, that's one of my guys. And then right here is the half bathroom that we got down here. Installed a half bathroom down here, and new AC vent. And look at these beautiful windows and transom windows that we're doing. And they can open up for storage. We're gonna put a transition in between. It's gonna be absolutely beautiful. These doors are to die for. Love this door, love these closets. They're beautiful, all right? Love these doors, love these closets, all right? Beautiful, all right? And this right here is our laundry room in the back right here, going to the back of the property. This is the master, right? We lift the floors were really wavery and jacked up, so we fixed the floors, all the joists beneath the floors, make it nice and sturdy. See this? Firm, all right, nice, new plywood. And this is the master bathroom, tub and shower, okay? Tub going in, shower also. Beautiful, all right? We about to start, getting clean. We're cleaning up the place right now. As you can see, we're cleaning out because we're gonna start installing the hardwood floors. This is a nice big walk-in closet, and you can actually put a closet system in here when you're ready, all right? It's gonna be beautiful. The house is for sale, all right? So look at the doors. Doors are beautiful, all right? We'll take y'all upstairs. Let's go. Installing all the doors, transition windows. This is the hallway bathroom. Tub and shower also. Tub goes here, shower is here, over the top, waterfall shower, double down the sink, and we got storage up top, storage right here, closet. There's another bedroom right here, and we're letting this out, right? Old fireplace used to be here. We're letting this out. New closet installed, new transom window goes here. And we're installing all these new doors, as you can see. So this one bedroom up here. This another one right here. And see a transom window going there. Another one being installed right here. As you can see, and that's it right there, right? Making these from scratch. And to match all these transom windows that you see already in the property. So we kind of going ahead to keep within the nostalgia of the homes. We kept all the old doors, and we bought new door locks to be installed. And these closets are really nice, right? Decent closets. And this is the third bedroom upstairs, and this is the fourth bedroom, which I call a baby room, right? And we're going to install transform windows again in here. New closet, new door, all right? So stay tuned, man. It's going to be beautiful Victorian light fixtures and everything going in another couple of weeks when we get done with all the paint and floor job. So that's where we at right now. Again, keep following the YouTube page, JB Flip Savannah. All right. If you really want to hit me up to learn about mentorship and real estate, it's jbflipsavannah@gmail.com. I have a bunch of mentors, mentees that I've taught how to flip houses. I flip houses. I've done wholesale. I got commercial property. I got apartment complexes, daycare buildings, lottery store. I got a lot of stuff here in Savannah, Georgia. I got Airbnbs. So if you really want to know about real estate and somebody that's actually doing it, hit me up. JB Flip Savannah. Mentorship starts at $5,000 to $10,000. Hit me up. Let me get you on the track 2024 to making 6 figures guaranteed money. All right. Peace. I'm out.